loves, today I got us Indian food. Tikka masala. Did y'all know tikka masala isn't like a traditional Indian dish? It was created in the UK by South Asian chefs, and it's actually like Britain's unofficial national dish. So let me know what's like an authentic Indian curry I should try next. Samosa, green chutney, tamarind chutney. This one is really refreshing and has like a minty cilantro kind of vibe, and this one is sweet and tangy. I love both. Curry, rice. Something about eating with your hands makes the food taste 10 times better. Here's your bite.